pear. So here's our beautiful pear. We want to check the skin for major blemishes or bruises, but it's totally okay if there's some minor blemishes. Similar to our peach, we want to press gently, and if it leaves an indent, then it's ripe. We'll top and tail our pear, then cut it in half, which will reveal the core and seeds. I'll then slice these halves into quarters. Then next, I'm going to angle my knife and remove the core and seeds. Finally, I can then cut into wedges like so. Now with one wedge, we can give it a rough chop. And we can also cut these into elegant slices. And there's our pear. We have our rough chop, great to use in a pie, our thin slices for salads or charcuterie boards, and our wedges, great for poaching or grilling.